Okay, we got interrupted with practicing that sing-along, so let me do a little bit more of this with you guys. So I'm at the bottom of page 152, and it says, what if Jenny says that 12 bottles of juice cost $25? Well, let's see here. How many? This was 6 bottles of juice was $7.50. 12 bottles of juice, $25. Does that make sense? Well, think about it. Let's say they were $8. If the total was $8 for 6 bottles of juice. Well, if there was twice as many, if there was 12 bottles of juice, that would be twice as many. Twice of $8 is $16. So how did she get 25? Well, is it reasonable? No, not at all. And Jenny's not the smartest tack in the box here. So you guys just briefly explain why is it not reasonable? And I essentially just said it, that if it was, we could round it up to $8 for 6 bottles, twice as many would be $16. That's nowhere near $25. So, number 10 here, if Nick had $10, how many bottles of juice could he buy? Well, gosh. So let's start with $7.50, okay? And then we're going to add, how much are we going to add? We're going to add $1.25. Okay? And that's going to be what? $8.75. All right? Then we're going to add what? Another $1.25. And then we're going to get another number. And we're going to get as close as we can to $10 without going over. And that'll tell us how many bottles of juice Nick could buy. Okay? All right, next page. So it says here, Sarah wants to buy a bottle of apple juice from a vending machine. All right? She needs exactly $2.30. She has the following bills and coins. Well, there's 2 bills, $2, 25, 50, 75, another $1, that's $3, $3.25. These are nickels, that's 5. These are 10, these are dimes here. Another 5. These are 25 each, okay? And it says make and complete a table to find all the ways Sarah could pay for the juice. Okay, so this is what we'll do here. I'm going to put $1. Okay. And then I'm going to put quarters. Q for quarters, there QU. And I'm going to put dimes, DI for dimes. And I'm going to put NI for nickels. Okay, I'm going to draw a line right here. And I'm going to do that some more. So I don't know how many combinations we'll come up with, but let's see. So let's come up with 1. And then I'll let you guys do the others. In fact, don't worry about this one. If you come up with 3 on your own, I'll do the first one. So let's say here. So we got to come up with a combination that's going to equal $2.30. So each of these is going to end up being $2.30 because that's what she needs, $2.30 exactly. Because a vending machine, this one only takes the exact change. So I'll put a $sign here. So I'll do the first one. So, well, she could use $2, right? She could use a quarter, 1 quarter, 0 dimes, and 1 nickel. 1 nickel is 5, right? Remember, this is 5. This would be 10. This is 25. And this would be 100. So she needs to come up with $2.30. So there's 2, 25, 30. So now you come up with a different combination to come up with 3 different combinations for $2.30. I did the first one for you. You need to do 1, 2, 3 more. Okay. Down here, what do we got? It says, what if Sarah decides to buy a bottle of water that costs $1.85? What are the different ways she can make exactly $1.85 with the bills and coins that she has? Okay. So just come up with 2 ways. Do the same thing. Here's $1. Here's quarters, dimes, nickels. And let's just do 2 ways. And it's $1.85. So come up with 2 ways. How many dollars and quarters and dimes and nickels would she use? Okay. So just 2 other ways. All right, then over here it says at the end of August, Mr. Diaz has a balance of $441.62. Now, when they mean at the end of August a balance, that's how much he had at the end of the month. Since then, he has written 2 checks for $157.34 and $19.74 and made a deposit of this much. Mr. Diaz says his balance is this much. Find his correct balance. Well, so it's 441. That's what we're starting with. 62. And then we're going to subtract 157.34. Then you're going to get another answer. And then from that answer, you're going to subtract 1974. And then you'll get another answer. And that answer you're going to add 575 dollars. And then you'll have your answer to see if he is correct or not. Okay? So the first thing we're doing, we wrote down his balance. Then we're going to subtract 157.34, and we'll get a number. Don't know what it is, but we'll get a number right here. Then from that number, you're going to subtract 1974. And then you get another number. And whatever that number is, you're going to then add $575. And then you'll finally end up with the answer. And you want to see if it matches that or not. Okay? So is he correct? You're going to put yes or no. Yes or no. All right? I want to see the work. No guessing. Next page. All right, use the following information to solve 4 through 6. Let's see here. At Open Skate Night, admission was $3.75 with a membership card and $5 without a membership card. Skate rentals are $3, okay? Aiden paid the admission for himself and 2 friends at Skate Night. So what's the admission? $3.75. So for himself and 2 friends. So that's going to be 3 times. I could just put that up here so we can kind of keep track of it. 3 times $3.75. Oh, messed that one up. $3.75. All right. But his friends did not. Aiden paid for admission for himself and 2 friends at Open Skate Night, but Aiden had a membership card, but his friends did not. Oh, I see what's going on. So he paid with a $20 bill. How much change should he expect to receive? Okay, so here's what's going on. So this wouldn't work. Aiden paid for the admission for himself and two friends at Open Skate Night. Aiden had a membership card. Well, if you have a membership card, it's this. That's how much he had to pay. So I'll put $375. Okay. If you don't have a membership card, how much is it? With a membership card, and $5 without a membership card. He had two friends that did not have a membership card. Got to add those together. We're not done. It says he paid with a $20 bill. How much change should Aiden receive? How much change would he get back? Got to add these up, subtract it from 20, and that'll tell me how much change. Okay. Number 5, the Moores paid $6 more for skate rentals than the Cotters did. Together, the two families paid $30 for skate rentals. How many pairs of skates did the Moores rent? Well, so you're going to have to, this for some of you, this will be a challenge. The total is $30. And we're talking about increments of 6, 12, 18, 24, okay? Together, the two family paid $30, and then 30 would be the last one, okay? The Moores paid $6 more for skate rentals than the Cotters did. How many pairs of skates did the Moores rent? Well, if they rented 2 pair, that'd be $12. And then the Cotters would have rented 1 pair. Okay? And that would be a total of what? Well, they don't tell us if the together. Okay, so it is a total. The two families paid $30. Okay, so how many pairs of skates did the Moores rent? You're going to have to look at it. How about, so what if the Moores bought 3 pairs? That'd be $18, right? Then the Cotters would have rented 1 less pair, because that's $6. That'd be 12. 12 and 18 is 30. So how many pairs of skates did the Moores rent? Well, that, I think, is the answer right there, unless I'm not thinking straight. Yeah, I'm thinking that would be correct. It'd be 3 pairs. Because if they rented 3 pairs, that would be $18. Okay, unless I'm not thinking straight. And if they paid $6 more, that's 1 pair for the skate rentals than the Cotters did. Actually, we don't know that it's in increments of 6. Wait. What does the book say here? Six pairs of skates. That doesn't make sense to me. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm tired at the end of the day. The book says 6 pairs. What am I not thinking about properly? I'm not sure. I'll come back to that one. Maybe it's the fact that I'm getting sick. I don't know. Let's go to 6 here. How are we doing on time here? Oh, 15 minutes already. Jenny and 5 of her friends are going to open skate night. Jenny does not have a membership card. So we're going back to this one here. Only some of her friends have a membership card. What is the total amount Jenny and her friends might pay for admission? Only some of her friends? Well, okay, so there's all kinds of answers we can come up with this. So I'm not even going to worry about this one. Because if 2 of her friends have a membership card, the answer will be different than if 3 of her friends have a membership card. And that answer will be different if 4 of her friends have a membership card. So I'm not going to even worry about this one. Because I'll get multiple different answers there. All right, number 7. Marisol bought 5 movie tickets for a show. Each ticket cost $6.25. Complete the table to show the price of 2, 3, 4, and 5 tickets. Wow. Well, 2 tickets would be what? Well, $6.25 plus $6.25. All right. There's 0. Carry the 1. 5. 12. So $12.50 for 2 tickets. All right. Okay, I think you guys can do the rest. Add a ticket for each one. Go from there. Is that the last page? It is. That's the end of it. Go back to this one here. Number 5. What am I not seeing here? The Moores paid $6 more for skate rentals than the Cotters did. Together, the 2 families paid $30 for skate rentals. That would tell me that they both paid $30 a total. And I'm wondering if they're looking at it like each family paid $30, and that's why they said 6 pairs. So I still think 3 pairs is the right answer, unless I'm wrong, which wouldn't be the first time. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys Monday.